So we were roasted by a lot of medias. They were stereotyping us, copycats. So we're very proud to tell everyone that this is a movement and this is going to change the Philippines and this industry. That it's more than enough for us that na-introduce namin siya ng
Gusto mo lagyan ng distinction yung pop ng Philippines. P-pop siya.
yun nga ba about P-pop, diba? So, siguro mag-share lang po ako ng interesting fact. For us, honestly, this exact venue, siguro, I think it was like, maybe 5 years, 6 years ago or something, baka more. During that time, no one really actually considered or know anything about P-pop. So we were roasted by a lot of medias and they told us, how are you gonna introduce P-pop to the world or to the Philippines? And right now, siguro sabihin ko lang din, but during those times, unplanned siya eh, na parang they were stereotyping us na copycats. So, nagkaroon pa kami ng konting bad discussion. How are we going to call ourselves, di ba? So, I told everyone, the media, yung mga, parang interviews namin, I said, P-pop po yung tawag sa amin. Kasi ginagawa kami K-pop Filipino. Which is very, syempre for us, in a way, we respected it. Syempre, we respect all genres and we get inspirations from them din naman. We're not gonna deny it. But, syempre, yung parang feeling na na-stereotype ka, it hurts us. Kasi we're Filipinos, diba? And then, ayun, I think right now, tulad nga sabi ko, it's given. We don't really have to say a lot or it's more than enough for us that na-introduce namin siya na-inspire namin yung mga tao to join this movement. And siguro, bigyan ko lang din ng idea kasi usually P-pop is parang sinasabi, pag P-pop sing and dance group, but who can really tell that even if you're a solo artist or a band artist or kung ano ginagawa mo, would you consider yourself as not doing P-pop? But in reality, you're doing, diba? You're doing pop music in the Philippines. So, I'll leave that to the artist then, and I'll leave that to everyone in this room and everyone in the internet na to think about it, diba? We might have accidentally or syempre, it has been maybe there ever since, but maybe accidentally created the genre. But right now, we're proudly and we're very proud to tell everyone that this is a movement and this is going to change the Philippines and this industry.
So no, P-pop just literally means Philippine pop. So lahat ng nakapaloob sa pop music sa Pilipinas, P-pop. Diba? Hindi naman kailangan sing and dance. Ha?
Kumbaga, kung gusto mo...
So may pinahapa ko. There you go.
Kung gusto mo lagyan ng distinction yung pop ng Philippines, P-pop siya. Parang na-distinguish siya all over the world.
Yes. So nationality lang naman yung P. Hindi naman kailangan singing and dancing.
Yeah, the same thing as, diba, the C-pop, T-pop, K-pop, J-pop, player, napakapop.
Yes. Uy, ano na naman to? Dream big na naman tayo.
So,
Lahat na
we're just leaving it on the table.
Yes.
So, they can think about it, diba?
Oo.
Sing now, I bet this one can